Hello everyone, welcome to Trade. We're just doing a live review of what happened today. I was unfortunately unable to record the screen as I was outside, but we got some couple of good trades. See, yesterday this was my analysis. I had posted the analysis. When I went to edit it, by mistake I've deleted it, not knowing that I've deleted it, the today's market analysis. Only today morning when I was just trying to see the views, I see the video is not there. By mistake I've deleted that. See, we had this trend line and had a view that if this trend line breaks, we could come until the weekly CPR. I'll just put on the CPR. Sorry, it's more clear on this chart. See, this is the weekly CPR, and yesterday in the analysis I had mentioned that, see, if R1 of weekly doesn't break out, most likely we'll come back to the weekly CPR. So everything was as per the analysis. Right now, Banknifty is taking support at this gap. This yesterday's gap up was beautifully filled, and right now it's taking support. And in our Cosmofit group, early in the morning itself, I had pasted that if the previous day low breaks, we could hit the weekly CPR. And also, I'd mentioned about this trend line, that if this trend line breaks, we could come, and we exactly came until from S1 to S2 of CPR. It was a beautiful trade. Now, only CPR if you observe daily, right? We went up, tested the daily CPR, came down, again got a bounce. This type of intraday bounces will come, that is for sure, obviously, right, to take out people's stop loss or so. And now we have come until S2. Fall below this might look a little difficult. As of now, it's only about 1220. We'll see. Maybe if S2 breaks, comes retest, maybe we can even come down until S3. But this weekly CPR will give some support, and the price action can go a little sideways in this, because if you see the open interest now change in OI, right now 41,000, some call writing has come. The put writing is only coming in at 40,500 change in OI. But if you see positionally, there is some put writing still existing at 41,000. If this breaks, then yeah, the market could slip further. Now, why? See, in the morning itself, when I posted this, just want to show one observation. See, in the morning when I posted this at around what time, 9:48, you can see this was the change in OI for today. You can see 41,000 call also being added. So these are the smart people, not you and me. All these blue selling, right, is from most, maybe half will be even retailers like you and me. But this out of the money they're selling calls, they are the smart people who probably knew something, the market is going to fall, and some news or something. I think Putin announced something that he's going to continue with the war. Probably that could be another reason. The global markets have dipped after his news, but not in such a big way. US futures only about minus 28. So right now we have closed all our position. We got some pretty good trades. Morning 400 put, beautiful. 300 put, we took stop loss. We could have waited, but had to take stop loss. And this 200 put with bigger quantity worked beautifully. Our trades were obviously over here when CPR was tested 400 put until S1. Then the second one was where we took we kind of took stop losses over here. When this candle came, we went a little aggressive and shorted 300 put here itself. But this up move came, so exited. And again, when this fall was coming, took 200 put. Now my view is still bearish, but because of this gap, I'm a little careful, because usually whenever the gap fill comes, right, whenever the gap fill happens, there will be a small bounce, and then maybe the gap boundary on the downside will break. That's what I'm waiting for. But if this continues to fall, then maybe we'll have to just do some scalping. Now I'm expecting at least on 1 minute, we are already close to 1 minute, at least maybe a pullback until the 50 MA, or 5 minute or 3 minute, some pullback until the 20 MA, because even the gap fill has happened, and then a breakdown, I'd be more comfortable to short again. And Nifty also gave a nice move on the downside. It was beautiful. See, in the morning itself, we bounced from this gap boundary. This gap was marked, right? Obviously, in all my videos, I marked the gap. We bounced from here, and again, we have come into the gap. Nifty has still some down move. I'm expecting Nifty to come and hit 17,640. So let's see how it goes. But as of now, it was a pretty good day for us. So as of now, I'll just wait. It's only about 12:20. Still, there's a lot of time for the market to trade. Wait for a pullback, and then if you get some nice short confirmation, pull back until the 20 MA, and then I might short again. Thank you.